All right, hello, Algebra 2 students. I have just a few quick announcements I want to highlight. First one is about retaking the Chapter 2 test. So if you go into our Chapter 2 folder, down at the bottom you will see the POL. All right, so that needs to be completed prior to retesting. And then further directions for retesting are found right here. And I guess the big thing I want to highlight about this is after you do the POL, I think it's a really good idea to meet with me at some point and we can go through your previous test and make sure that you figured out your mistakes and that you're prepared for the retest. All right, so I did this last year with kids during distance learning. It worked really well. Tons of them scored well when they took the retest. So that's it for the directions. Remember that the higher of the two score counts. All right, and then also that the max amount of increase is 10% or one letter grade if you haven't been doing the daily work. All right, if you have been doing the daily work, you can get all the points back 100% the second time you take it. But we do this just to try and motivate you to do the daily assignments. We want you to do the best you can the first time on the test, and we think it's a good study habit to be in the habit of doing the assignments each day, not putting them off. So that's part of the reason why we're doing that. The other note I wanted to put in here real quick about assignments in general, going forward, I'd like to have them done before we take the test. So the point being again that they are to get you ready for the test. So after the test, you cannot earn points for them. Basically, I'm going to go through and zero them out in Canvas, any missing ones once we're done with the test. And I know I hadn't decided this right away, so I'll give you a little bit more time on the Chapter 2 assignments here because I hadn't said that. But then going forward, that'll be the policy. So for Chapter 2, I'll probably cut it off early next week, maybe like Monday or Tuesday. I'll go in and zero everything out in Canvas, and then they are no longer available for points. Plus, I think it'll help you focus on like the current material. I think sometimes kids going back and doing all these old assignments, but then they forget about the current ones, and then they're not ready for the next test. So that's the policy going forward. As always, reach out if you have any questions. Have a good day.